Welcome to Cars Fuse, the ultimate destination for all things automotive. In this video, we will be answering the most often asked question by all car owners facing frequent issues in their vehicles related to electrical fuse errors. Is it possible for you to check car fuses without removing them? We will discuss the various methods and tools available to efficiently check car fuses without removing them, allowing you to quickly diagnose and resolve electrical problems in your vehicle. Let's dive in and discover how to check car fuses seamlessly and effectively. What to check before replacing a fuse. In the process of checking car fuses without removing them, it's important to prepare adequately for the task. Being well prepared sets the stage for a more efficient and accurate evaluation of the fuses, increasing the chances of identifying any potential issues without removing them. Turn off the car. It also allows the fuse box to be safely accessed without the risk of live electrical connections. Consult the owner's manual. Pay attention to any specific instructions or warnings mentioned in the manual. Clear view of the fuse box. This will allow you to navigate the fuse box more comfortably and ensure a comprehensive assessment of each fuse. The technique of inspecting cars' fuses without the need to remove each one individually from their slots. This method allows for a quicker and more convenient assessment of the fuses. Remember to exercise caution while handling the fuses and tweezers to prevent any damage or injuries. Visual inspection. Start by visually examining each fuse in the fuse box. Using a flashlight to enhance visibility, carefully observe the fuses for any visible signs of damage. Look for blown fuses, which may have a broken filament or appear discolored. Pay attention to any blackened or charred fuses, as this indicates a fuse that has likely blown. Magnifying glass. If needed, utilize a magnifying glass to closely inspect smaller fuses or to examine any intricate details. A magnifying glass can help you identify subtle signs of damage that may not be immediately visible to the naked eye. It allows for a more thorough examination, increasing your chances of detecting potential issues. Using tweezers for testing. To further assess the fuses, carefully use a pair of tweezers. Gently grip the fuse with the tweezers and give it a slight tug or wiggle. The objective is to ensure that the fuse is securely connected within its slot. If the fuse is loose or improperly seated, it may indicate a poor connection or a faulty fuse that needs to be replaced. Test the fuse with a test light. To check car fuses without removing them, a test light can be used. Simply press the test light against one end of the fuse and ensure it illuminates. Repeat the process on the other end. If the test light lights up on both ends, the fuse is functioning properly. However, if the light only illuminates on one end or not at all, the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. It is important to investigate further to determine the underlying cause. Note that if the test light doesn't light up on either end, it may indicate a lack of power to the fuse, requiring the key to be in the on or accessory mode. Multimeter voltage. To check car fuses without removing them, start by turning the ignition on to activate additional circuits. Then, using a multimeter set to voltage measurement, with a minimum scale of 15 volts, measure the voltage across each fuse. You can either energize the circuit and retest or remove the fuse and check its continuity separately using an ohmmeter or a battery with a test light. Checking car fuses without removing them offers a more efficient and convenient method to assess the health of your vehicle's electrical system. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can save time and effort while gaining valuable insights into the condition of your fuses. These techniques provide a comprehensive assessment of the fuse's condition, enabling you to identify blown fuses or loose connections. Throughout the process, it is crucial to prioritize electrical safety, exercise caution, and seek professional assistance if needed, especially when dealing with complex electrical problems. That's a wrap on our guide to check automotive fuses without removing them. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cars Fuse for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.